In a hidden valley, a group of unicorns were known not for their beauty, but for their uncontrollable sneezes. The tiniest whiff of pollen caused magical bursts of glitter and rainbows. One fateful day, during a sneeze-off, they created a tornado of sparkles that sucked up the local ice cream shop. The town went into a frenzy as ice cream rained from the sky, a sprinkle storm like no other. It turned out the unicorns weren't just sneezing. They were trying to share their magic through the most delicious way possible. Now, townsfolk keep flowers nearby, just to see if they're lucky enough to capture some enchanting ice cream.